So my rent is due in 30 days, and I'm only a new Roblox developer with 3 months of scripting experience, no coding background, no game development background. I think I'm screwed. If I don't build a successful Roblox game in 30 days, I'll straight up be broke and homeless. So subscribe to find out if I actually make it to day 30 as a Roblox millionaire, or if I end up sleeping at my local 7-Eleven dumpster. Alright, so this is day 3 of trying to pay my rent by making a Roblox game in 30 days. For day 3, I have 2 goals in mind. I don't have a lot of time today. I didn't have a lot of time yesterday either. But today I want to make an announcement GUI so that while the rounds are progressing, like while the players are waiting in the lobby and then while they're choosing teams, I want there to be like a central announcement that goes out to everybody and tells everyone what the status of the game is. And I also want to finish making the game loop, which means getting the game reset done. So when one of the cores is destroyed, I want all the players to be reset and they can choose teams again and restart the game. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna start out with, I'm gonna make the announcement GUI. I have a free GUI pack that I found on some bootleg virus website, so I'm just gonna use that for now, but I have a friend that actually makes GUIs, so he's probably gonna end up helping me make some more custom stuff later on. Okay, so as you can see, I've got the temporary GUI in place and it's counting down, and it will also count down the time left to choose a team. I'm going to choose team 2, and it doesn't announce anything after that, so I'm going to finish making the announcements. I'm going to do that now. Okay, so now I'm going to do a little test run of the game just to see how the UI progresses. I want to make sure that the game status is working. Okay, so now let's go ahead and try to destroy the core, and this should hopefully, once we destroy this core, it should announce that I have won the game. Team 2 has won the game. Awesome. So it works exactly like I want it to. But as you can see, it does not reset the game yet, so now I will work on resetting the game. Okay, so we just added, hopefully, the reset functionality. We're going to test it out right now. I am just going to artificially destroy the enemy's core. So let me do team 2. Humanoid, I'll set the humanoid's health to 0. Oh, I'm doing it on the client side. I actually need to do it on the server side. How do I view on the server side? There we go. Set the team's core humanoid to 0, and team 2 has won the game. Let's see if it breaks out. Okay, restarting game. Awesome. So it looks like the reset did work. Now it should put us back in the game. We choose team 1. I think we got an error. Okay, so the game did reset, but we ran into an error, so I'm gonna go ahead and troubleshoot this error right now. Okay, we're gonna try resetting the game again. I think I found the issue, but I will tell you what the fix is if this actually fixes it. So let me go on the server and set one of the team's core's health to 0. Team 2 has won the game. Now the reset process should start. I'm gonna choose Team 2. Awesome, it looks like it worked. So the issue I was having, if I go back to my main game functions, I have this boolean, and it's an actual instance in my server script service, and I have that value set to true here. But later on in the script, I set this game active. Instead of saying value, I set this game active equals to false. So what I think I did here was I overwrote the original game active being linked to the actual instance of this boolean value. I think I unlinked it and just hard set it to false. And then when it reset and came back up here and I did game active.value, it was basically saying that let me see if I can pull up the error. I can't pull up the error, but .value really didn't exist inside of game active anymore because game active was just a variable that was set to false. So that was the fix. I just had to put .value on all the game active all the instances of game active, and it worked. Okay, so I think the last thing I'm gonna do, I want to mess around a little bit with the team selection UI. I want it to kind of match status UI, even though it's probably temporary. I want it to look better than it does right now. It's just gonna help my eyes while testing this game. So let me do that right now. Okay, so I've added some custom UI for the team selection. You're gonna see it now. It looks very generic, and I'm not sure why it came out so low res because I used vectors I exported them from vectors, so they should be pretty high quality. I'm not sure if Roblox like downscales it or what, but yeah, that's actually gonna be it for day 3. I don't really have time to do anything else. I gotta get to bed. But hopefully day 4 and a couple of the coming days will be weekends, so I'll be able to get more time in then. I'm glad with what we got done today. Please, please, please leave a like if you are enjoying this series. It lets me know that I should make more videos like this, or maybe I should just go back to the tutorials. And if you had any questions about maybe the UI setup or any of the scripts, please leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell notification to get notified every time I upload.